Now I have created this material in sending plant. Now I will extend it to the receiving plant as well, right? All right, so I'll enter the same material. Okay, so for receiving one, we will not require the sales view here. I'll require only the purchasing data. I'm adding as a receiving plant as a 30. That is storage location. Yeah, sim finish, it is there now. Continue. Purchasing group, you can add it as whatever is there for a receiving plant. You can also keep the different one if you want. We can add it as 182 here. So in foreign trade, let me add control code. Okay, now I have added control code here. Plan data 2 is having profit centers. Now let me update accounting data as well quickly. All right, so and almost done. Okay, now we have this material in the system. Okay.